share with you 3 tools that I hope you could use in respect of further supporting your Strata practice so it's enjoyable. First one is create a checklist. It's all about the checklist. A particular tip that I've noticed with some of the Strata managers is actually working with your service providers, particularly with your software providers. So a number of the things that the Strata lawyers have mentioned to you today is about looking at your forms, making sure that they're according to prescribed forms. If not yet mentioned, I will add, make sure that check that even the Consumer Affairs website actually have the correct approved forms, that they match the laws. Because I've noticed some of them don't match what are the approved forms according to the laws.